everybody, I got my Modern Quilters box again. Does seem to take forever to get from America, but I'm hoping they'll worth it this month. It certainly has been the other months. Here we go again. A beautiful bright green tissue paper, which I always struggle to open. Okay, here we go. What have we got this month? Ooh, some good looking fabrics. Sunprint by Alison Glass. I love Alison Glass. I was going to say there's sure to be some Alison Glass things up there. Okay, so here's some Alison Glass. I just love her saturated colours. You probably can't see, it might be just out of camera shot, but I've got my Alison Glass Atomic Starburst up on the wall. So here we've got some of the colorways of Sunprint 2020. Kind of a mustardy green kind of colour. Ooh, it's orange. Oh my gosh, it's really orange. Dear. The sort of the reddy, pinky kind of tones, and the beautiful pinks that I adore. And she does the most amazing purple. Purple is just such a hard colour to get in a quilting fabric. It goes into the lilacs and the grandmother purples, as I call them. Beautiful blues and a lovely green colour. So they are the beautiful prints. I might just move this back here. Oh, and our sticker. Our sticker is a rainbow. Be a rainbow in somebody else's clouds. That's Maya Angelou. Love that one. Have to find a good friend to give that one to. What else have we got in here? Ooh, what's our tea? A lemon ginger tea. Keep hoping there's going to be a hot chocolate in there one time. And our little snack today is a Ruja chocolate. It looks like it's got some wafer in there as well. That'll be yummy. And now the pattern for this month came too late for the box, so that will be coming in my next month's box. I've sorted out. So, and this the little sampler block is kind of a string block. They're really cool. They're a great way to use up some small scraps in your stash. Oh, we have a little notion. Oh my goodness, a cute pair of little scissors, embroidery scissors, the nice sharp point. Oh, they feel good. I've been needing an extra pair of little small scissors to be next to my lounge chair. And the pattern that's coming is a noodle head pattern, so I can't wait to see what that's going to be. So we've got 9 beautiful fat quarters of Alison Glass Sunprint, which is just lovely. Have to think of something really good to do with that one. The beautiful scissors, lovely little tea, cute rainbow sticker, and a little chocolate, and the pattern that's still coming. Excellent. I'll see you next month.